Would you drive at 100 miles per hour without brakes? A teacher in a physics class once asked his students, "Why do we have brakes in a car?" Like you would have imagined, most of the answers he received were to stop, to reduce speed, to avoid collision. But the surprising answer that stunned the entire class was by a student who replied, "To enable us to drive faster." Imagine you have no brakes in your car. How fast will you drive that car? 10 miles per hour? 5 miles per hour? Or rather, not drive it at all. But because you have the brakes in place, you can imagine to drive at speeds of 50 miles per hour, 75 miles per hour, or even 100 miles per hour. So aren't the brakes rather a force that enables us to accelerate, to go fast, and reach destinations that we desire? While brakes are often perceived as negative for the friction they add, the reality is, if not for these brakes, our life would only be adrift. Let me share with you 3 types of brakes that most of us experience, and I'm here to share why these brakes aren't bad after all. Brake 1. The people brake. We are all surrounded by people of all kinds. Some are the yes-sayers, the kind who always have positive affirmations when you win or even when you lose. And then there are the naysayers, the kind who look down upon everyone and are blessed with an eye for pessimism. They are the ones who have a problem for every solution, or could write a thesis on the flaws in some of the finest accomplishments. And finally, some whom I call the devil's advocate, the ones with the right intent but a critical outlook. All my life, I've been surrounded by people who constantly questioned or challenged my actions, directions, or decisions. While I would always think I'm wise, I always had someone who would think otherwise. It could be a parent, a teacher, a good friend, or my boss. They are the ones who always challenge you, instigate you, make you dig deeper, only to see you grow eventually. We often listen to the praises and satiate our ego, or listen only to the critics and break our confidence, but rarely appreciate the devil's advocate who always keeps us grounded, knows our potential, praises our strengths, and yet highlights our flaws and is constantly challenging us to grow to the next level. Brake 2. The challenges brake. Everyone loves success, positive momentum, but have you ever observed that the most innovation or learning or optimization happens during the setbacks or when we are hounded by problems? Human mind has a peculiar skill to find ways to act when it is left with no choice but to act. That's when the new possibilities emerge. If you look at the world history, you'd realize that the precursor to every accomplishment was a setback or a failure or a challenge. While success makes us bask in its glory, challenges give us an opportunity to focus on areas where we need to work and develop. As an entrepreneur, I've come across different types of clients. Some come with a smile and are understanding, and some who are demanding and challenging us. They are the ones who force us to up our game. Even as an employee, far more progress happens with a challenging boss who always sets the bar higher than with a yes boss who always understands. Brake 3. Conscience brake. Each one of us is driven by our culture and values, but we often face situations where we act in a flow, and that is where our conscience, our moral compass, acts as a brake. Deep within each one of us, our moral compass has a clear sense of right versus wrong, good versus bad. And in every decision we take, every act we do, there is a voice deep within us that hits us hard every time we do something against our true will. Every time you trust that instinct, you make a tough choice over an easy one. You make a righteous decision over a pleasing one. You rise in your own eyes and your self-esteem rises a bit. Our values within drive us to make the tough choices rather than the easy ones. This makes your self-respect rise. While breaks may add friction to your life, what I've realized is that these 3 breaks are the ones that have rather accelerated me further ahead in every facet of my life. So the next time you come across any breaks in your life, pause a minute and be grateful. These are the ones who drive you ahead.